got kids that don't have knee problems, okay? If they're taking hip hop and they're taking contemporary and they're going into these fast, deep plies and they're shifting their knees in and out, okay, their legs in and out, then they should be doing this twice a week, okay? So one thing that I make my kids do, I make them get a partner and that they have the same like dance schedule. So if they've got a break, and I like them to do it at the studio because then again, it doesn't work. Well, they usually don't do it. Yeah, actually, yeah, no, just do one. That's fine, you just have to do one. I don't like this done tied onto something. Like, I don't like them to do that at home because what happens a lot of times, because it cannot move with the foot and it has to move with the foot, it'll make you hyperextend your knee. Now you're doing damage to the meniscus. So then that's a different problem. So you don't, that's why you want them to do partners, okay? All right, so here's what I'm talking about. It's right here, okay? Now, what I'm gonna have her do, I'm not gonna put this on yet, but I want to explain to her what I want her to do. You're gonna take 4 counts to flex your foot, okay? And I want you to do it slow, because I'm gonna put this on top and cause resistance. So you're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, back, 4. I want you to hold 1 count, okay? Then from there, I'm gonna start pulling you back down, and you're going to resist me, but you still have to move. Does that make sense? So you don't want to let me pull you like all the way down quick, okay? All right, now, for this person here, this is important. You have to, and I tell you what, because our feet are very powerful, you want to get, I would get maybe a little thicker one, but actually you probably could fold this up to make it that thick. I like, I don't even know if they've changed the colors of it because I bought it like 4 years ago. Bunheads has one that's maroon and it's really thick, and I doubled that one up, okay? So I'm gonna put this on top of her foot. I want you to keep your leg parallel, so, and that's not natural for us either, so I want you to hold your leg to make sure it stays that way. All right, now, this is what I'm gonna say about this person. This hand has to stay underneath of the foot, okay? So when she goes to do this, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. You feel that? Yes, so now that popped up. And you want to make sure that that pops up. And sometimes you have kids, again, that it's so weak it won't. So I'll like hit it like that and like wake it up, okay? All right, so now we're gonna come back. I'm gonna start back. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, did you see how my hand went back down? So now watch this, take it back up. You see how that hurt? That's what hurt your knee. You see, because I'm pulling down. So you got to make sure. That's why you have to have partners. Because I know in physical therapy sometimes when they got a physical therapist busy, they'll tie it to something. I don't like that. I don't like that. So again, have them do. And if the kids really, if it's weak, and you can say their kneecap is, you know, they have trouble with it tracking, because your kneecap sits in a track. So it's here, it sits in a track. So when the outside is stronger, it starts doing this when they go for full range, okay? And it could actually dislocate. Does that make sense?
So you say even for the youngest ones, go this strong?
Well, it depends on, you'll have to know how strong they are. Does that make sense? I would get the maroon one and maybe not double it and see how they feel it, but you can come back and see what's happening with them. Yeah. But I'm gonna say, if they're doing contemporary and they're doing the hip hop, you know, of course, like the beginning hip hop, they're not dropping down like that, you know, but like if they are doing any deep arm plie, shifting out, coming up and dropping up and down quick, they should be doing this at least twice a week, okay? Younger ones, maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 to 15 reps. And again, because I don't know how, you know, what they've got going on with their muscles and how strong or weak they are. Older kids, what I would say to do like 20, 25 reps, maybe go to 30 reps, if that makes sense. But at least twice a week, okay? And then you're gonna find out that, well, because if the pelvis, again, let's say it's in the right place, but that's weak, especially in fast choreography, especially if you are, let's say you're in a lunge, and so much of the transitions are like lunge, bar plie, lunge out, go the other way. That's just a big, and it happens so quick you don't even see those positions. But I find that when they come here and go to the bar plie, they're already rotating this in, which is putting pressure on that joint. just saying inner thigh in that grand plie, that's not gonna be enough. You have to get them to use that part of the quadricep to keep those knees out and over top of the feet, okay? Especially like right here. Always have to look for that. So, but again, I'm gonna say this, if the position of the pelvis is not correct. And when you make your kids engage their abs, I don't start, and I didn't know what I need to do. I need to go back, because who has the notes from last year? Anybody have those from last year? I had the core, how I do the core. Yeah, I need to probably